Welcome to Caden to the Pictures! Hi, YouTube!
What are we gonna do today?
These what's right here toys!
So what did we get? We went to
This and
Walmart and what did we buy?
This! Toy Story!
Toy Story!
I have to open them.
Okay, let's open them. Okay, so we got the Imaginext Buzz Lightyear and Jessie. And what else did we get? We got Woody and Bullseye. And what's the one you're opening? Who's in there? What does it say?
Look.
So we got Rex, Ham, and the alien. Wow. Okay, we're gonna open them?
Okay, yes. I need to do this right now. Look. Now
Okay, so we got them out the box. And let's just look real quick. So the ages are from 3 to 8 years old. And these were the only ones that they have so far at the store. So
Okay. This is Rex, and this is Ham, this Alien, and this is Woody, and this is Rex, and this is Bowdiver, and this is Jessie, and this
And who's
is
that?
Buzz Lightyear.
ooh, so that's what they all look like.
Yes. And this how them come. And Jessie comes with this.
Bullseye.
Yes.
Jessie comes with Bullseye.
Yes.
So Rex, Ham, and Alien come together. So Rex, Ham, and Alien come together in the pack. And Woody and Bullseye come together.
And Jessie.
And Buzz Lightyear and Jessie come together in the pack.
You can take the hat off.
I don't know. See if the hats come off. I don't think they come off.
Nope.
No.
Jessie.
So they're kind of like your Batman, like the same size of your Imaginext Batman.
Like this. Her butt. Look. This is gonna be cool. Like this. I like the alien.
Which one do you like the best? Like which pack do you like the best? Or who do you like the best out of all of them?
All.
All of them? You can't decide.
Yes. All.
I think they're all cute. I like Bullseye.
I like Woody, I like him, I like him, and I like him, and I like him, and I like him,
So you like them all?
and I like her. Yes. I'm going to put Jessie on this horse.
So Jessie goes on the horse. Can anyone else go on the horse or only Jessie?
Only Jessie, because he has big legs, he has big legs, he has big small legs, he has small legs, he has small legs. So her don't.
Oh, okay.
Because there's a big hole, spike. So it's her poop. So what do you got when you go on a dinosaur?
Oh, Woody goes on the dinosaur?
Yes, he comes with it. What? See? Comes with a dinosaur.
Whoa.
What? See?
That's
He
cute.
goes on a dinosaur.
Caden, do you wanna have a snack? Do you wanna share your favorite
Yes.
snack with everyone? What you like to eat? Okay. Let me get it. Okay, so what this snack?
Put all in the
You want to
bowl.
put it in the bowl?
Put
Okay.
it all. All is large.
Yeah, I'm opening it up right now.
It's tall as my hand. Extra, extra, extra!
Okay, so we got the new Pop-Tart cereal. And it's really cool. It's yummy, huh? And it's like little mini Pop-Tarts, but in cereal. Good for a little snack.
This tastes good.
It does, huh? I like it. It's really good. Are you feeding the animals?
Bye, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.